Hi, it's Tony. You're in Pop Pop's workshop, and this week we've got a project that is 20 years in the making. Now, I have been working on it for 20 years, but the product we're working on, the piece that we're working on, has been with this client for 20 years, and he's finally decided what he wanted to do with it, and he's asked us to turn it into a coffee table top. He's going to put the legs on, but we're going to do the work to turn it into a top for a coffee table. So follow along in the video and see us convert this piece into a coffee table top.
It's for a customer. He had this beautiful piece of wood, and Pop Pop has cleaned it up, and he's going to put what's called bow ties on the top. Yeah?
Yeah, yes. Oh. So probably that size?
Okay.
That size. Yeah, that size. Yeah. I'm telling you, I wish we had feelavision because 2 coats of General Finishes hard wax oil, man, this stuff is buttery smooth. Awesome. We love working with the General Finishes for two reasons: ease of application and ease of repair. I don't care what kind of surface or finish you put on the top of something, at some point it's going to get damaged or it's going to fail. And then you have to ask yourself, how much time do I really want to spend resurfacing something? With this, I can use a white pad, lightly abrade wherever the damage is, recoat in that area with the hard wax oil. I'm good to go. Everything blends. It's perfect. So ease of use, ease of application. I really, really do recommend getting a hard wax oil and trying it out in your shop. So we had a great time. We could have gone a lot further and tried to take out all the imperfections, but really, that's not staying true to what this piece is. Like I said, it's 20 years in the making. The customers had this for 20 years before they decided what they were going to do with it. And now it's going to be a coffee tabletop. So he's got legs that he's going to put on it. And as you saw in the video, we flattened the bottom, sanded the edges to the point where I think enough is enough, and you want to embrace the imperfections, right? Doesn't have to be perfect. Embrace the imperfections. They're part of what makes this a unique piece that'll live happily in the customer's home. So we had a great time doing the video. Hopefully you had a great time watching the video. And if you think we've earned it, throw us a like or subscribe, all the good stuff that every YouTuber tells you need to do to help us out. But we appreciate you taking the time to just watch what we do. That really means a lot to us, that you've taken your valuable time to watch. So hopefully you're having a great day. We had a great time. And remember, you can do this.